So that when Krishna gives to us, then we have great madhuram, great sweetness, and feel great sweetness and happiness from chanting japa or kirtan. That's Krishna's loving embrace. I mean, and sometimes, because this is the foundation of Gaudiya Vaishnavism, is this Radha and Krishna Gopi Bhav, this Madhurya Leela of Radha and Krishna. The whole Shikshastakam, which describes the holy name, is based on the principle of Sambhog and Viraha. So in the last shloka, Ashlishyava Parotam Panashvam Adarsham Mamatam Karutava Yata Tata Ava Viradatu Lapato Matprananastastu Sevanapra. Oh Krishna, sometimes you're right with me and you're so tightly embracing me to your chest that I'm just feeling every cell of my existence with joy and bliss eternal. And you're breaking my ribs, you're crushing me with your love. And it's wonderful. But then sometimes I just cry because you left me, you just kicked me in the dust and it's trampled me under your feet like a wilted garland. And then I'm feeling so sorrowful and so much pain of separation. So these are the two banks of the ocean. Meeting Krishna in joy, and then that agony of separation. And this is the viraha. So that happens for Radha and Krishna. Radha and Krishna, it's happening in their own lilas. In Vrindavan, in their personal exchanges of divine love and parakiya bhav. And it's happening because bhaktas are Shakti. Bhaktas are Jiva Shakti. Bhaktas are all female. All the jivas are female. Krishna is the supreme Purusha. We're all female. So the devotee as he approaches Krishna, devotee is approaching Krishna and experiencing Krishna, interacting and reciprocating with Krishna. Small devotee, small new devotee is interacting and experiencing Krishna just like the topmost devotee, Srimati Radharani. The Shikshastakam was spoken by Srimati Radharani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Radha Mahabhav, and he's speaking this prayer in the Gambhira. This is the agony, ecstasy of the devotee. This is the agony and ecstasy that's experienced in any contact with Krishna. Sometimes you're doing puja, you have your daily puja. It's very ecstatic, and you're merging you're blending your archa puja, your archa murti puja with the lila smaran, and they fuse together so beautifully. And you feel like, oh, am I in a lila, feeding Krishna, fanning Krishna, or am I sadhakarup, feeding them and fanning them? They merge. And sometimes, it's the puja, the daily ring the bell and do the puja. So that Krishna showing himself or not showing himself, giving us bliss or not giving us bliss, that's with him.